बॉलीवुड में अच्छा एक्टर है तो सिर्फ मैं ही हूँ और कोई नहीं है. Okay, and Shaurya is also there. Okay, Shaurya is like, यार मैंने भी एक्टिंग किया है, मैं भी जानता हूँ यार, मैं भी दुनिया देखी है. Mix between me and Tanmay, what? Go to AI and shit. Generate an image of a person, and then AI is like, I don't know who Kayose Irani is.
This concept in KBC would be damn funny, dude. Like Amitabh is like कि आपका तो गलत था, लेकिन ऑडियंस से पूछते हैं.
Again, all of you are wrong.
What?
The correct answer is.
काली बिल्ली भीगे होठ तेरे प्यासा रंग तेरा.
Yeah, it's
No, it's okay. Farhan, I think would get the lyrics wrong.
It's a cover.
Yeah.
ये बस also dude, I also want one fucking marriage.
Yeah.
Oh, this.
Take it. Chalo, one more. This is very fun. Let's go to the next one.
Yeah, fun for you.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you find out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They are writers. One of them just newly became a creative director of a company. Woo! First up, we have Christopher Barato.
Yeah. I just want to say that when you invited me for this show, I did a lot of research, okay? And I watched a lot of movies. And I have watched so much movies. I just want to show you what I did in my research, you know, because of my opponent and all.
Is it going to be more than 2-3 lines? Because I specifically said the intro has
I
to
just
be
want to
2-3
show one
lines.
thing. I did, okay, in 2 lines, I did lots of research. You will not believe what I found.
Whoa. We're waiting.
Shaurya was in a TV serial.
Oh, I mean,
I found this, buddy.
This is your research is insane, dude.
Yes.
He was
Yes.
just researching on me.
I mean, this guy, everyone knows
I
Shaurya
have-
as an actor also. It's
Shaurya
not
is
like,
an actor.
oh,
this
he
is,
went
but
somewhere
this,
on
this
a
is
show.
something that I hid from the world and he found it. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that was the voice of Shaurya Tyagi, guys.
All right. Yeah. This is the second time on that filmy game show
That
for
Filmy
me.
Game Show.
Yeah. Last time I did.
It was a
really
different iteration of the show for another company.
bad. Yes.
Who shall not be named.
I mean, it's fine.
This time we have the audience to witness our performance.
Yeah.
But let's see.
It's gonna be difficult.
Last time
Because
was
last time
secret.
you sucked.
I
It was
sucked, dude,
Mayank.
and nothing has changed.
But Mayank was just that good. That's just it. Mayank was like really fast and really good.
Mayank was good because
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. In my defense, I have studied in a boarding school and we were not shown Bollywood at all. So all Bollywood that I know is after I got out of school.
Where were you born in school?
I was in Nainital, by the way.
In Nainital, so what did they show you? It's like Indiana Jones and shit?
They just kept us away. They were showing all that to the junior school, and when we became senior, I saw.
They showed you porn.
No,
Like, that'd be
Marlon
good.
Brando was introduced to us.
Marlon Brando?
Yeah.
Oh, Godfather? You're showing
we saw
students Godfather, dude?
then we were shown films of this guy, dude. What's his name? The guy who's won
Shah
the
Rukh Khan,
Oscars
bro.
the maximum times.
Sorry.
The guy who's won the Oscar maximum times. The quiz is already started.
Daniel Day-Lewis.
Daniel Day-Lewis,
Yeah.
dude. Which film was that? There Will Be Blood.
There
I
will be blood.
remember.
Oh.
But we should have plays.
Then
now.
I Drink Your Milkshake is from that movie, no? I drink
Oh yes,
your
yes,
milkshake.
I think. No.
Okay, it's gonna become a Hollywood show, guys.
Yeah, anyways,
Welcome.
fuck it. Yeah, Salman Khan.
Yeah.
Come on. Back.
Okay, so
This is great for me. Do you know Amitabh Bachchan?
The thing is, he just named him rightly. He's from my school, bro. That's the school
What?
I'm talking about. Yeah, Sherwood College. That's
he is really from your school?
Yeah, that's from my school.
Wow, man.
Yeah.
And your careers
We
are
still-
right
we-
next
we
to each other
still-
also. It's great.
Even after producing Amitabh Bachchan, the school couldn't go Bollywood, dude. They were still showing
They didn't
Shakespeare.
want to associate. नहीं हमारे यहाँ से तो नहीं है भाई. ये इलाहाबाद से है इलाहाबाद. That's how he pronounces it, dude.
It is a British school. They're still probably under that.
But then how Amitabh came out like this?
Because Allahabad
Dude, but
once...
that's why his
once-
English is so fucking prim and proper and all, no? That's why.
I thought that's
and then-
Rekha.
and
Also, Amitabh-
Hindi he learned from Allahabad. English he
But
learned
also
from
Amitabh,
school.
I think, had the influence of his father, no? Who was also
Okay.
a great
That's
poet
true.
in
But
both
that's the
languages.
Hindi. But yeah, okay, correct, fair enough.
Okay, cool. Okay, so welcome guys. That Filmy Game Show. You guys will be playing various games based on Bollywood films and Bollywood songs
Okay.
and what have you. You guys are fighting for something. You guys are fighting for the most important title in your life. You're fighting to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah. I was hoping I didn't pick up the Begum one, but yeah, this is not the Begum one.
Insane.
Because Bollywood Badshah, this is what you're fighting to be. There's no cutout. You guys have to make the cutout yourself because that's the commitment you guys are making for the show that you'll do.
I thought
a
you
little
were
bit
just
on
going to
this.
be like,
One second.
comically.
All that, yeah, just shove it.
One of the pictures are going to be on that. That's what you're saying. Or we'll have to do
No,
that.
your face
No,
is
you
gonna
have to do it, bro.
You have
It's-
to take this, put this,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then you're
Oh,
the
like
Badshah.
that.
No, I mean, you don't have to tear it on the show.
Dude, this is-
like,
this
but
is insane.
at some point, okay? Huge title. What this title allows you is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood. Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life? Say you are at an event. Say Amitabh Bachchan, you're like having your alumni meet at Sherwood with Amitabh Bachchan is there. Okay, and you're having a discussion with Amitabh Bachchan, like a heated discussion.
Yeah.
Okay, because Amitabh Bachchan is saying, "Hi, Bollywood में अच्छा actor है तो सिर्फ मैं ही हूँ और कोई नहीं है." Okay, and Shaurya is also there. Okay, Shaurya is like, यार मैंने भी acting की है, मैं भी जानता हूँ यार, मैंने भी दुनिया देखी है ना. So Shaurya is trying to say कि no, I am the greatest actor. That Shaurya is the greatest actor Bollywood ever produced. Okay.
Fair enough.
If he wins this, he will be right and not Amitabh.
That's great.
Because you are the ultimate authority.
Suddenly I saw the visual and I was like,
sounds good.
lock up, because
Yeah, that's also because.
Can I be like the moderator of Bolly Blinds and Gossips? I just want to be that subreddit, you know.
You think I have that power? Or you think I run that?
अच्छा, so the power is like अमिताभ को हम लोग बोल सकते हैं माचुदा, but like Bolly, that's where we draw the line. So we can say like Gali and all is fine, no? Like,
Yeah, of course,
okay,
man.
okay,
it's
okay.
promoted. in
Yeah,
fact.
it's promoted.
Yeah,
And
how
then
else?
so-
How else you go viral in this YouTube
This one
page?
is this one on YouTube. You'll have to tick on not made for kids.
What do you got? Okay, let's not get into what we're gonna talk about. We have an audience, guys. We have an audience.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hi,
welcome.
hi.
Hello. How's
Hi.
it going? How's it going? Some of them are repeat. Two of them are repeat, and one person has been repeated too many times.
Can I
That's
say
Simaj.
one thing about
Yes,
the
please.
audience?
Yeah.
The theme of the show is so apt with Bollywood that one of the guy looks like Baman Irani's son.
Kayose.
right.
Yeah, Kayose Irani.
Thank God.
He does look like Tanmay Bhatt also, dude. Like a mix between Kayose and.
No,
Yeah.
dude, you are Kairos Irani, dude.
Yeah.
Student of the Year 3 director. Like,
But that's unique. No one has actually pointed out that.
Think-
I look like chaos.
yeah, it's a compliment
Yeah,
only,
because.
dude. Yeah.
Man, great. But do you think Kayose feels good about this? Kayose watches.
Dude, I think
He'll
he'll
have
feel
to-
good because one person knows who he is, okay?
but even to feel bad, he'll have to really imagine how Rishabh looks. I don't know.
Or mix between me and Tanmay Bhatt. Go to AI and shit. Generate an image of a person. And then AI is like, I don't know who Kayose Irani is.
Can you please give one reference?
Oh man.
Yeah.
That's too funny. So what's your name? Ashish. Ashish, what do you do?
I work in technology.
You work in technology. What does that mean? That sounds very Dawnish for some
Yeah.
reason. I work in technology. What do you do?
We have
I
these automatic
rob
machine-
computers.
machine guns.
and sell.
Technology,
That's
yeah.
okay, technology. Let's start. Very cool. We talk
Yes.
to everyone. Welcome everyone. We are playing various games, as I said, on based on Bollywood films, Bollywood songs. The first game we're going to be playing is called Bollywood in Jeopardy. How this works is I'm going to read out the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film. You have to recognize the film, buzz in with a mouth sound, a sound that you make with the mouth each time, and whoever buzz in first gets to go first.
Okay.
But the hook is you have to say the answer in the form of a question. If you don't ask it as a question, like, is this Dil Chahta Hai, or is this the pot of Bagban? If you don't ask it as a question and I catch you on it, I will let the other person steal, even though you might have been right. Okay?
Alright.
Firstly is that. Secondly, the audience gets to play along now. Very cool, very cool, very cool, very cool. Okay?
So
Yeah,
they also buzz with their mouth or something like that.
So no, they don't have to buzz. They don't have to buzz. So how it will work is I will let you guys guess first. If you guys don't get in the first round, I will give you guys a hint. If after the hint also you guys don't get it, I will then throw it to the audience. But don't worry, it has happened multiple times that the audience has ended up beating one of the contestants.
Of course.
So it happens all the time. It's all good. It's gonna be fun.
I just want to say this whole this concept in KBC would be damn funny, dude. Like Amitabh is like कि आपका तो गलत था लेकिन ऑडियंस से पूछते and audience is giving right answer.
You'll have stake in the money, like आपके हुए ये 40 लाख रुपए 15 लाख उनको दे दीजिए.
चेक की थोड़ी धनराशि इनको जाएगी.
Guys, also, just, whenever the audience gets an answer right, I have like a little gift for them, okay? So, There's some little like just something to munch on the side, and how they get it is maybe a little disrespectful, but let's see how they like it. Is just a little bit. Woo, yeah. That's awesome. Yeah. Why not? Hey, for that comment, take more. Yeah.
No, hey, 1 minute. What Santa Claus?
Why not?
You go to SeaWorld, there is a splash zone. This is the splash zone, dude.
This is a splash zone.
Yeah, you opted for it, dude.
Yeah, well, that's true. Okay, awesome. Take
Ready,
it. Let's
ready.
go. The first game we're going to be playing is called, as I said, Bollywood in Jeopardy. Google Pod description, you have to buzz in. Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first. Let's go with the first question. The first question is as follows. A group of friends set out on a perilous journey to emigrate to Dash, that's the name of a place, via a clandestine route called Dash. You will go first, risking their lives in the process. Yes.
What is Donkey?
It is absolutely right. What is donkey is right. 5 points for Christopher. Very cool. Very nice. Donkey, देखी तुम लोग ने?
Hey, what a horrible
नहीं देखी?
film, dude.
Yeah, so
Jesus.
bad, dude. Terrible.
इतने गंदे रिव्यू के बाद how will anybody watch it?
My girlfriend made me realize that Rajkumar Hirani is such a hack director.
No,
he's
not
such a
a
hack
He's made
director.
some good-
Think about it. No. Think about it.
Okay, I'm thinking.
It's the same template in every. It's the same template in every movie. Okay, he's always virtue signaling. Okay, it's always is that the right word? I don't know. He's always giving you gyan at the end. Okay, it's always like tum galat ho. Learn about it. Whether in this movie it's like India is great. Padai is okay, like you need to focus on your this. Then Sanju mein kya tha? Baba is good.
Yeah, sure.
There was no AK-47
Some
in
people
that.
call it commercial sensibilities. That's the thing. It's the
And
opposite.
every film has that one scene where it's a sexual double entendre. Every film has it. He's got these.
Oh, you mean like
little-
Balatkar and Chamatkar?
Balatkar and Chamatkar.
Then?
Similarly, in Sanju, I remember, there is a whole scene where he gets drunk and goes to Sonam Kapoor's dad, which is Baman Irani in that. He goes to his house and he's like, pura, matlab, either udhar this. I don't remember the exact scene, but it happens. And that's the template in every scene. PK mein bhi hai.
Yeah, हो सकता है.
It's there,
But
dude.
it could also just be. But is it the same thing or is it?
अरे इज द सेम टेम्पलेट डोट कि वो मतलब सेक्सुअल इनोएंडो होगा उसके ऊपर एक सीन बनाना है
हो सकता है
उसका वेरिएशन निकालने में टेम्पलेट वही होता है ना डिफरेंट वेरिएशन निकलता है तो वो बस टॉपिक चेंज करता है बट आफ्टर मुन्ना भाई आफ्टर that other guy Vidhu Vinod Chopra left him no he's just gone downhill.
It's his templatization has become less subtle.
12th
after
fail was excellent, man.
12th fail
That's
was
not him, no?
excellent.
But you just said Vidhu Vinod Chopra.
Yeah.
Oh, you're saying in general.
Yeah. What a movie. Have you met Vikrant Massey ever?
Oh yeah. He's in fact stays in mud only.
Vikrant Massey stays in mud?
Yeah.
Oh wow, dude. Nice.
He's got a nice house. Yeah.
You've been to his house? This guy.
I haven't been to his house, but I know that's the flat that he's taken, the top one. That's a big one.
Man, I just realized you have a very similar body face type to Vikrant Massey. You could be stealing his roles in a few years, man. In like a few months. Who knows?
Not stealing, but I got a role which he rejected long
Oh,
time
did you
back.
really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, which was an indie film which is not out, but they said that they had approached Vikrant Massey.
Okay, damn it.
But Vikrant Massey has started doing very good work.
If only,
So I did that work.
If only he had rejected 12th fail also. Damn it. Damn it. Okay, let's go. Next question. Keep your buzzers at the ready. A raw agent Dash is sent to Dublin to observe an Indian scientist. You will go first. I'll just complete the question. An Indian scientist who is suspected of sharing nuclear secrets with the ISI. He meets and falls in love with his caretaker and falls for his caretaker, a girl with a dark secret. Yes.
What is Ekta Tiger?
Absolutely. Ekta Tiger is right. 5 points for Christopher again.
Dun, dun,
Yes,
dun, dun.
pretty simple. Bear slides. Major Dash of the Indian Army leads a covert operation against a group of militants who attacked a base in Dash, Kashmir in 2016 and killed many soldiers.
In 2016.
Yeah. So he plans the operation in 2016 is what is being said.
Is this Uri?
It is Uri, the surgical strike.
Oh
yes.
shit.
I
Come on,
knew
Shaurya,
the
come on.
film for
5 points.
took time to remember
Dude,
the
I have
name.
not watched this film. I just like took a wild
Yeah, it
guess.
was Uri, of course.
5 points again for Christopher.
I haven't also not seen it, but yeah.
Movie number 4. The children of a society make friends with an orphan. Okay.
I love this movie too.
I'll just complete the question. The children of a society make friends with an orphan and his dog Dash. But when a scheming politician plans to get rid of stray dogs, they all come up with a plan to save their four-legged friend.
What is Chiller Party?
Absolutely, Chiller Party is right.
Dude, I love
Very
that
cool.
film, dude. It's such a
Very-
such
Oh,
a
this is the premise
wholesome
of the film. Okay, I haven't seen it.
It's-
Salman Khan produced.
Yeah, Salman Khan produced it, and it's such a cute and wholesome film. It's like you have to just watch it. It's so
Yeah, we have good movie, good movie. All right, next one. We'll do 2 more in this game and then move on to the next game. Dash, a cartoonist with a no-nonsense personality, plays a key role in the birth of the Dash and goes on to become the most influential political leader in Maharashtra.
What?
I know the name. I can't. I know which
Come on,
movie, but I
guys.
can't remember the name.
Come on, people.
Is this Thackeray?
It is Thackeray.
Ah, thank God.
Wow, bro.
No, I know this was a Bal Thackeray movie. I
Yeah.
forgot the name, and so I was
Yeah.
like, "Huh."
So the first Dash is Bal Thackeray and second Dash is Shiv Sena. So the
Correct.
key role
Yeah,
in the birth of the Shiv
Nawazuddin
Sena.
Siddiqui.
Yeah, Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Cool. Okay, next one and the last one in this game that we play.
Oh, wow.
Why?
Is that bear slides? You get
What's
it.
the obsession with Chester, bro?
It's bears. What are hairy bears? What are hairy men called? They're called bears.
Why
It's
is
a
it?
bear
What
slide.
is a bear slide?
A bear slide is like a buffer slide, so I don't go to the answer slide by mistake, so I like a buffer.
Oh,
Uh,
nice. That's damn clever.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yes, it was directed by Abhijit Panse. A housewife and a caretaker, a housewife and a caterer, Dash, is usually mocked by her family for not knowing English.
Damn it!
Wow, Shaurya, finally. Her attempt to learn the language helps her rediscover herself and reassert her value as a mother and a wife.
Sri Devi, of course, but let me.
Hey, this is not allowed. You have to put a
Quick,
timer.
I'll give you only 10 seconds.
Oh, it's
Quick.
like that.
You can't take forever because his answer is ready. Her family for not knowing English. Her attempt to learn the language helps her rediscover herself and reassert her value.
Hey,
Is
no,
English
you
English?
can. Yeah.
Is this English or English?
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
English. Yeah,
Okay,
you
let me
corrected
see-
yourself
let me
before
have
I could
one.
catch you.
Why?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
did I correct?
No, because you said it first English.
No, I said, is it?
both times you said.
No,
You-
no, he
you'll
said
get it-
English,
You'll
English.
No,
get
that's
it in
fine.
this.
And then
But you
see
corrected it. You
You'll
corrected
see it in the edit.
I said,
edit
is it
you'll
English
see.
English?
But you
I said,
corrected
is
it. I
it English
saw.
English?
Yeah,
I said that.
Relax, it's all good. Yeah, 5 points, Shaurya.
I'm just competitive. I like
So,
nothing.
see, now Shaurya is on board. Okay, so let's do one more in this game just to
Okay.
see if Shaurya able to get. Shaurya, quickly.
Oh, wow. I think it was just his picture that woke me up.
Yeah, correct. Okay. In Kasoli, this one's tough one a little bit. In Kasoli, a serial killer dares to taunt the police force as corpses of teenage girls are found in public spaces. While trying to prevent the deaths, Inspector Dash must trace the murderer.
In Kasoli.
I know the name. I can't.
Anything? All right, some people in the audience have gotten it. Nothing at all. You can
I
take-
know the. I know who.
Who's the actor?
It is Tip Tip Barsa Pani Wali. Ravina Tandon. It's Ravina Tandon. I know that it starts with A. I can't. It's some. Is it?
Ravina, that means an old film.
No. It's a new
It's a new
Netflix
film.
series. It
What
came
the
out
fuck?
2 years back.
Okay, don't help. Got very passionate.
It's a movie.
Got very passionate. Huh?
It's a movie. It's not a series.
Oh, he's saying no. Then I know.
This is a movie.
Now I know which other movie it is because it was between the
So
two.
then, who is the other one?
I don't remember the name of that
What
movie
actor?
because I didn't watch it.
Imran-
Actor is
Imran
Akshay
Hashmi,
Kumar.
no?
No, it's Akshay Kumar. It's Akshay Kumar. It flopped and it came on Netflix
sorry.
and he was very proud about it, but it didn't work out. And I've not watched this movie. That's why I can't remember this name. So I will pass. I can't remember the name.
Anything, Shaurya?
I don't know, man.
Okay. No guess at all because there are no negative points. कुछ ही बोलना है बोल दे. Tension नहीं.
Akshay Kumar, this is year also, we don't know.
Yeah, you don't know anything else. Nothing? Okay, so I'll give you guys a hint. He is right. Akshay Kumar is in the movie. He's the main star. Any guess?
I can't remember I can't remember the name. I genuinely can't. I'm only thinking of that Ravina Tandon wala show. Like I can't remember this at all.
Okay, cool.
So
That's
let the
Akshay-
audience take it.
What are the odds? You thought it was Ravina Tandon, but it was her Tip Tip Barsa Pani ka co-star.
Oh yeah, dude.
Isn't that crazy?
Woohoo.
But for you guys now get to say what the movie is?
Katputli.
It is Katputli, yes. Yes, absolutely.
Oh, it's on
It is
Hotstar.
Katputli, yes.
Ah.
Nice one.
Katputli, okay.
2.5 for the audience.
Yeah, but very shady film. Like you shouldn't know it.
No, but again, some कुछ questions तो difficult होने चाहिए ना. Like, you know?
Also, it shows good character on my side,
Yeah.
so that's great.
And the audience is saying कि
Investing.
हाय गलती मेरी थी. Don't worry. Okay, that's the end of this game. Let's see where we stand at the end of game 1. Divij, what are the scores?
Chris is at 25.
Christopher's at 25. Very cool.
Fine.
Gloria is at 5.
Charles at 5, and the audience is at 2.5. Very cool. That brings us to the end of game 1.
Hey, sorry, why does the audience get 2.5?
Because they got it after the hint.
Okay.
So the hint.
Okay,
halves
after the hint
points.
it goes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
After the hint, they got.
I was like, I will not allow him to do this to you guys.
This is a new game. This is
Okay.
only the next game is called Whose Line Was It Anyway?
Okay.
Okay, this is a new game. This is only the second time we're going to be playing this game. How this game works is I will read out a popular dialogue from a movie and give you 4 options as to who said that dialogue and in which movie. Okay, you'll see how it works. The best way to understand these games are just by playing them.
Yeah.
So we'll see how this works. And you both will get a chance to take a stab at it, and the audience will also get to play along from the very get-go.
So no buzzer.
There's no buzzer on this one.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, so the first one can start with Christopher. The second question can start with Shaurya.
Cool.
And then everyone get it. It'll be
Okay,
fair.
got
Alright?
it.
The first question is, who said this line? Rahul, naam to suna hoga. Which movie is this from? Is it Shah Rukh Khan in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham? Is it in Yes Boss? Is it Shah Rukh Khan in Dil To Pagal Hai? Or is it Kuch Kuch Hota Hai?
It's my turn?
Yes.
It's kuch kuch hota hai.
Okay, you're saying D, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Shaurya?
Of course, it's kuch kuch hota hai.
He's saying also D, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Guys? You guys, give me one answer as a collective.
I'm sure it's D.
All right. But how cool is this, right? We all know this, but we all still got it wrong.
What?
It's Dil To Pagal Hai, Shah Rukh Khan.
Did he have friendship bands that
Yes.
all that was in Dil To Pagal Hai?
No, that was
that
Kuch
is
Kuch
kuch
Hota
kuch
Hai.
hota hai.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it has Madhuri Dixit in Dil To Pagal Hai.
Yeah,
Isn't that
I
crazy?
know the whole film. I know
What?
both the films.
Exactly.
I
But
can
you-
tell you
you're
the
wrong.
scenes.
Dude, this is Mandela effect.
This is
Indian
exactly right.
version of
It's
Mandela
exactly right.
effect.
This is Mandela effect.
Oh, damn,
Awesome.
dude.
He's the only one who had it right, Ashish. And the audience led him astray. Your own peers
Rahul.
led you astray.
Dude, the thing is, when they started saying CN on, I was like, shit.
In Dil To Pagal
बदल देना चाहिए
Hai, he was a dance instructor, right?
Yeah. So, but he meets Madhuri at some point, no, in the movie.
And he says,
Rahul.
Naam to suna hoga. And,
Yeah.
and this dialogue is not there in that.
No,
Because
it's not
even
in
in, what do you call, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, his name is Rahul, right?
In all these films,
Yeah, of
his
course.
name is Rahul, but he only says Dil To Pagal Hai.
So he's never
So
said
isn't
Rahul.
that crazy?
So
Yeah.
he's never said Rahul Naam to suna hoga in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah,
Why would he tell his classmates?
Correct. Yeah, exactly. The only
that's true.
other
I
person.
thought
true.
girls, whatever, flirting
Nice.
Rahul
Good
Naam
point,
to
good
suna
point.
hoga.
No, the only other person you would have to say that in that movie is Rani Mukherjee and then
And
Salman Khan.
Yeah. At the end.
Oh, fuck. That was
Okay,
quite
great.
a loss.
Cool. But, well, the more you learn, right, every day. Question 2. This one, we understand how to play this game. All right. This one we can start with Shaurya. मुझे जहाँ पहुँचना है उसके लिए ये रफ्तार बहुत ज़रूरी है. Who said this? A. Farhan Akhtar in Bhag Milkha Bhag. B. Abhishek Bachchan in Guru. C. Imran Hashmi in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. Or D. SRK in Dawn. Shaurya.
From the dialogue, it seems like should be Farhan Akhtar, but if it's tricky, then is it Abhishek Bachchan Guru? मुझे जहाँ पहुँचना है उसके लिए ये रफ्तार बहुत ज़रूरी है. It can't be that direct that he's talking about Milkha.
Please continue thinking out loud. It's always
Imran
great.
Hashmi, Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. SRK Dawn, no. मुझे जहाँ पहुँचना है उसके लिए रफ्तार बहुत ज़रूरी है.
So you guys will now understand that this is all by design.
Yeah.
Depending on the dialogue,
Nah,
I've
I'm
chosen the
getting-
movie
Imran
and the
Hashmi,
thing.
Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. मुझे जहाँ पहुँचना है. I think it should be C.
You're saying C. Imran Hashmi in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. Chris?
The thing is, I agree with the A option. Definitely, it's the dummy A. because and also the whole point of Bhag Milka Bhag was that he was not fast enough at all. So he was just always
Yeah.
training to get
Yeah.
faster.
And it's not Milka won't say a dialogue.
I've
like
not
this.
seen
It's
Guru.
bad dialogue writing for Milka.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have not seen Guru, so I don't know. Once upon a time in Mumbai, I saw long back, but I can imagine Imran Hashmi saying this.
Yeah, of course.
Like, you know, that's called like.
it's written.
boy, that's
Okay,
great.
cool.
But the thing is, in Dawn, I think.
मुझे जहाँ पहुँचना है उसके लिए. Dawn also
When he
can be-
gets his you know what, I'll tell you, no, not because of the dialogue, I'll tell you why.
Huh.
Okay, because there's a scene where he regains his consciousness as Dawn in that driving thing, and on that scene this makes sense, but I will actually also go with C.
You're going with C after all of that.
I'm also going with
Okay.
C.
मुझे
You guys,
जहाँ
okay, you're saying B. All right. So Abhishek Bachchan and Guru is what you guys saying, and you both are saying Imran
C.
Hashmi, Masmood Ahmed Bhai. Again, all of you are wrong.
What?
The correct answer is SRK in Dawn.
काली बिल्ली.
Is that the correct scene I'm
Jungli
talking about?
Billi.
No, it's not, it's not.
Show Naka.
यार जैसे ही मैंने उसकी बेस में बात करना ना मुझे लगा कि it could be मुझे जहाँ पहुँचना है.
Ah, great.
You.
Oh,
You
look at that. People have
tricked
stood
me.
up and all. People have stood up and are pacing now.
जहाँ
This
पहुँचना है
is too
उसके
much
लिए.
pressure. Very cool.
How can I get SRK wrong, dude? Then I have no hope left now.
Great. But everyone got it
shit.
wrong. You're absolutely fine.
I've only watched
It's by design.
SRK films, dude.
Listen, if the audience gets it wrong, do they throw the chocolates back?
Hey, वापस दो. I just gotta throw it back at us. Great. Let's do 2 more in this game. It's very fun. This one can start with Christopher again. Pressure आ गया. High pressure आ गया.
A. Amitabh Bachchan.
A.
Piku.
Amitabh Bachchan and Piku. B. Akshay Kumar and Hera Fairy. C. Kunal Roy Kapoor and Delhi Belly. Or D. Akshay Kumar and मुझसे शादी करो.
Oh no, I'm saying A. Like I was not reading out the answer.
Oh, I
I'm
thought you
saying
were-
A.
Okay.
Amitabh Bachchan.
You're saying
Piku.
Amitabh Bachchan Piku.
Yeah.
Shaurya.
Oh shit.
B. Akshay Kumar and Hera Fairy.
All right. Are you sure with that answer?
I know one scene where he said something like this when he's running inside because he wants to go to the loo first, and I think
Okay.
it's that.
Okay, cool. So are you fine with
But
that answer?
I know the whole film Piku is about ball movements, like so I'm a little confused. But I think
Can I change my answer?
B only.
No, you can't.
Damn it.
B Akshay Kumar.
Don't keep it on the table. I think that's causing an echo.
I think I'll go with
Huh?
मुझसे शादी करो with the next time Kunal Kapoor and Delhi Belly. There's a reference of shit, but I think I'll go with Akshay Kumar. Hera Fairy.
Akshay Kumar and Hera Fairy. And you guys?
B.
They're also B. The correct answer is in fact B. Akshay Kumar in Hera Fairy. Yes, very nice.
Nice.
What are you going to say the answer to?
No, I was going to change it to. I was just saying. I didn't think you would say yes, so I was like, try marte.
Okay.
I was going to say C, dude. The
You're gonna
thing
say C,
is, I
okay.
don't remember Hera Fairy, and I haven't watched Delhi Belly.
This is
so-
exactly the scene he was recognizing where
Yeah, he just-
Sunil Shetty is late for an interview or something. He's going to be late in the morning. And then he's
He
like,
just
pressure
runs.
aa gaya, pressure aa gaya, pressure aa gaya. And then he rushes into the washroom.
Oh
Dekho
yeah,
na babu bhaiya.
and he doesn't let him go.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Famous,
Shit,
famous.
damn it.
Famous.
Can't be Amitabh Bachchan because वो तो बेईमानी भी would have said ना.
Pressure हो गया, पोशर हो गया.
Yeah. Only a cultural journalist will point that out. Guys,
Yeah,
different
dude.
cultures. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool. Then the last one in this game can start with Shaurya. Is तुम्हें उठाकर म्यूजियम में रखना चाहिए, टिकट लगनी चाहिए तुम्हें देखने के लिए. Is it A. दीपिका पादुकोण in तमाशा, B. शाहरुख खान in चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, C. सलमान खान in तेरे नाम, और D. शाहिद कपूर in जब वी मेट? Shaurya.
My first instinct is going for B. Shah Rukh Khan, Chennai Express.
Okay.
Okay. तमाशा तुम्हें उठाकर म्यूजियम में रखना चाहिए, टिकट लगनी चाहिए तुम देखने के लिए. When he was fucking around as Bollywood actors, he could have said something like this.
But Deepika Padukone is saying, huh?
Oh, okay. Doesn't make sense. You can't romance on this line. No, you can. तुम्हें उठाकर म्यूजियम में.
तो रोमांस कर रहा. ये तो कैरेक्टर में घुस गया. Every actor is making out character as
because I can't
what is
rely,
he thinking in this moment?
I can't rely on memory. I'll have to create everything fresh. तो शाहरुख खान भी से तुम्हें उठाकर म्यूजियम में रखना चाहिए, टिकट लगनी चाहिए तुम्हें देखने के लिए. Did he say that? No. Salman Khan, तेरे नाम I can't imagine.
That's what it would be so funny, dude.
बोलेगा ए जा म्यूजियम में बैठ. That's his dialogue. तेरे नाम.
Shahid Kapoor, because I would like to tell the character that Kareena played in Jab We Met कि तुम्हें म्यूजियम में रखना चाहिए. It's really going with that character because she was too weird, the character. Shahid Kapoor and Jab We Met, तुम्हें उठाकर म्यूजियम में रखना चाहिए. टिकट लगनी चाहिए. And if he said this, she'll be like, really? And is it D?
Okay, you're saying D. Christopher?
D.
Okay, you're also saying D. Both are fine with the answers?
Yeah, fine.
You guys? Everyone's saying D and everyone is right. Yes, it is in fact.
Oh fuck, thank God I
Shahid
got
Kapoor
it.
and
I
Jab We
had
Met.
no idea. I just tried to. Okay.
I was trying to nudge you कि नहीं गलत है यार गलत है. भाई ने बोला.
I got it right only because I thought which character does it suit like
Yeah,
this line. So I
yeah.
think it was.
Yeah, I watched Jab We Met, okay? I like
You
that
watched
movie.
Jab
That's
We
why I
Met.
knew it was
Yeah,
immediately D.
most people don't need that.
But we both get equal points for this.
Yeah, you both get equal points.
Yeah, why are you offended
everyone
about
gets
that,
fine.
man?
This is the only chance I have, bro. Next game, I don't know. He'll start asking lyrics and all. I don't know.
Yeah, that is coming. That is coming. Let's see where we stand at the end of game 2. What are the total scores, Divij sir, at the end of game 2?
Chris is at 30.
Chris at 30. Okay, he got 5 in the other one.
Shora is at 15.
Okay. That's 3.
Audience is at 12.5.
12.5. So very close to Shaurya. Very nice. Shaurya, do you have so you've auditioned for a lot of things, I'm sure, right, as an actor, because even I've acted for like a couple of years in my life, and I've done, in those 2 years, I auditioned for like 1,000,001 things. What is the most popular thing that you auditioned for but you didn't end up getting? Is there something like that?
Yeah, I think which I nearly got, if I would say, there was a series, American series, which I auditioned for, and I almost got. And I have an email from the guy who casted for The Dark Knight, The Moon, telling that unfortunately you didn't get through, and the other guy got through. Jeremy, I'm forgetting his second name, but I have an email from him.
Jeremy Piven?
No, Jeremy. You'll have to Google, dude. Jeremy something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clarkson? Jeremy
I'm still
Clarkson.
waiting to do something really concrete so that I can mail him back. This is my journey, and
Well,
where
that's so
is
cool,
my
dude.
show?
Wow,
So,
man.
What was the movie? Which movie
this
was
is a series. They had one Indian character who was supposed to.
Farhan Akhtar in Miss Mahal.
No, I'll tell you the name. Why I'm
That
not
was
forgetting the name also. Because the working title was something else. It changed to something else later on. When
It's
came out.
called-
It's
it's
out.
a-
It didn't do that.
Was
so
it
I'm fine.
Quantico?
Yeah.
Were you going to be Priyanka Chopra's role in Quantico?
No. I'll remember by
And
the end.
why did they
See, I have
not
a
give it
memory.
to you?
I don't know, man. Uska bhi hai, first of all, there was a girl called, very helpful, Swapna David. I was doing a show, a stand-up show, and she happened to, I was smoking outside after the gig, and that time, this long time back, I had a bit where I used to say I'm an actor. So she said, do you want to audition? Because she was heading the Indian auditions.
Back then you weren't an actor, but you...
I was,
Oh, you were.
but I used to also like kind of have a
As it was
bit.
a bit
She
also.
found out and she said, "Do you want to audition?" I auditioned, and after like I think 4 or 5 months,
Yeah.
I got a call from Swapna Dev. She's like, "They're trying to reach you. What's wrong with your phone? This, that, whatever." And I just check your mail, and they were aggressively trying to reach me. And they said, and I was too fresh as an actor, and I'm like, "What is happening with me?" And I'm like, "Have I got through, or what is it?" She's like, yeah, do you want me to negotiate about the payments and everything?
Huh.
All that has happened.
What?
Like, you're going to Doha next week for a
Oh.
1 month kind of
You're like-
Vacation
no,
only,
no,
okay,
no,
all
no,
expense
but-
paid.
No, but like a training, hardcore
Yeah,
training.
oh,
shit.
okay.
Yeah. Because I wasn't great
Workshop.
actor also that time. Like I mean,
he's
my
fabulous,
skill,
guys. He's fabulous. Please check it out.
Way better now, but they only Firang could probably take somebody like that because they knew their process. They were like, in 1 month we will train
Oh,
him.
hone you.
or,
Oh, shit, that's
something.
damn cool.
But the other guy who they took, I forgot his name, but he had done a short film which had gone through. It had won something in Cannes that time. So
Oh, okay.
maybe that
Okay,
was.
cool.
Attention. Good, it didn't work.
Yeah, good. I didn't tell the name of it. इतना सब कुछ बोल दिया कि मुझे याद ही नहीं है नाम
Okay,
शो का
no
सही
problem.
है.
Okay, that's cool, yeah. And Christopher, what about you? Oh,
I
what is
actually
your-
do audition also.
You do also?
Yes, brother.
Hey, cool. And
I
do you get,
never
how many
got
of them do you
through.
get?
The thing is, dude, my luck is so fucking bad, okay? So,
Yeah.
I'll tell you how it started.
Yeah.
So, I make reels sometimes when I get a good idea and I think it's hilarious.
Yeah.
And sometimes 1 or 2 of them go viral. Viral for me is 300k views, okay?
That's pretty
Million
great, dude.
minute
300K is
touch.
great, dude. What are you talking about?
It doesn't even touch a million. But one of the reels that I did and this one casting agency saw my reel and they reached out to me. And I saw like a couple of mutuals who were also following them. So like, okay, legit है, ऐसा नहीं है कि चल कपड़े उतार types होगा.
You think they're contacting you for that though? Why? Talk about ego, bro.
I don't know what fetish people have, dude. I don't know what fetish people have. So you gotta watch out for yourself. So anyway, so they reached out to me. They were like, "Ki, there's an ad and it's for phone pay. And can you audition and all? Home self audition test you have to give and all." And I was like, "ठीक है, try कर लेते, big deal नहीं हुआ तो."
Of course.
And I gave, and they were very sweet about like ये करना है, वो करना है. They sent me references and everything because first time auditioning, right? I did it. They were happy. I went through. I got the film. I went for the shoot. The shoot was great. Everybody was very sweet, and it was like after the take, everybody told me it was very nice and all. And then the film fucking didn't come out.
Oh, you shot a film?
Film, matlab the ad film. Sorry,
Oh.
ad film. Sorry.
Oh.
In the industry,
This fucker.
I needed a glass of water. How was he cracking just
Yeah,
the reels?
see, cracking.
sorry.
शौर्य like यार मैं दिन रात मेहनत कर रहा हूँ क्या हो
और
रहा
ये
है?
बैचो टकला. In the industry, we call it ad films and full length films, only
Yeah,
short
okay.
films.
Yeah.
So you never know. Anyway, so it was an ad, okay? And actually, this series came out last year.
But why didn't the ad come out, dude?
So I followed up relentlessly because I was like,
Yeah.
कि
Ad
ad
नहीं
नहीं
आएगा
आएगा
तो
तो पैसा
parents-
भी नहीं मिलेगा क्या मेरे को?
नहीं पैसा तो बर्थडे में
अबे मेरे को थोड़ी मिलेगा.
उन्होंने मना कर दिया क्या?
No,
मैंने
no.
कहा, हाँ correct.
So the thing is, there were a lot of films that came out in that series, and only mine didn't come out. So they said that there was some problem with the client, and they were not happy with the film run, so it got shelved. That was the only time I got it. But this casting agency, they keep reaching out to me every 2-3 months, and they're like, "ये नया brief है."
Because
ये
they
नया
need
brief
new
है."
bakras every time. Like, let's do one more where we don't release it.
No.
Isn't that fun, guys? Isn't that just fun? That's very cool. Nice story. The next game is very simple. It's called the name game. Very simple. How it works is I will name a mainstream popular actor or actress and ask you to name songs or movies of that actor or actress. So say if I say give me movies of Deepika Padukone, then he can start with Chennai Express, you can start with Om Shanti Om, and the audience will also get to participate and they can start with whatever.
So you have to name the movie.
एक एक करके 1 1 1 then back to 1 1 1 and then continues till one person runs out.
Okay.
Whoever runs out is the loser and the other two get points.
Okay,
Alright?
got it.
ठीक है?
And like it could be like only. Does it have to be only movie names?
You'll see.
Okay,
it depends
fine.
on the question. If I
It
ask for a
depends on the
movie,
question.
yeah.
Okay,
You'll see.
got it.
Again, first one can start with Christopher, and then the next one can start with Shaurya. The first starts with Christopher. Give me movies of Rani Mukherjee.
Give you movies of Rani Mukherjee. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Yes.
चलते चलते.
चलते absolutely. Guys. हम तुम.
Ayya.
Yeah.
You sure? Are you guys sure? If you guys are sure,
Jumping Gum.
that's that one, right? Okay. Okay, Shaurya?
This one. Gulam.
Yes, correct. Right.
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा.
हर दिल जो प्यार.
Talash.
Yes, absolutely.
S-
You have 30 seconds each time.
yeah. अरे यार विवेक ओबराय के साथ. Okay, I'll go to something else.
You have about
दिल से.
15. Dil se
Did I
nahi, she's
get it
not
wrong?
there.
Oh fuck! Why did I get this?
Wrong?
No, but wait. You still have about 10 seconds.
Pity isn't. Okay.
Quick.
Sixer.
Nahi, that's not the one, dude.
It's Bunty Bibli.
हाँ, बंटे वाली. बोल. साथिया.
Damn it. You guys.
Memory. See.
Christopher.
The one that he was thinking was Dil Bole Hadippa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gulam I've said, na?
गुलाम की बोली साइड.
This is memory.
Gulam 2.
Oh, we haven't said. कुछ होता है.
Yeah, we answered. Correct. Hitchki, yes.
Tara Rampam, dude.
Tara-ram-pam, tara-ram-pam. हाँ बोल. What 20 seconds?
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
He बोल दिया उसने.
अबे तूने बोल दिया.
First thing I said. सारे easy one निकाल दूंगा ना. Then you have to think.
About 15 seconds, I'd say. I mean, come on, bro. One of them is right there. Something you only said. 5 more seconds you have, though. Huh? Okay, you're done, bro. But-
Can I tell?
Quality or public too.
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit! Yeah, I also forgot about it.
Bunty
Two has
Bubbly
come
too.
and she's there in it?
Yeah, she's
Yeah, she's there in it. Can I flex with 2 more names?
हाँ, बोला.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
Yeah.
लागा चुनरी में दाग, मर्दानी, मर्दानी 2.
Mardani, I was trying to remember, dude. Okay,
Also,
one.
हद कर दी आपने किसी ने बोली क्या?
नहीं
नहीं हद कर दी आपने. She's there. क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता. She's there. Right? She's only there, no?
Who cares?
क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता.
No, that's Sushmita Sen.
That's just nothing. Okay.
चोरी
Yeah.
चोरी चुपके चुपके.
चोरी चुपके.
और
Yes,
वो भी है ना
absolutely.
स्टेट वर्सेस मुखर्जी ऐसा
Yeah. Norway. Mrs. Chatterjee was in Norway.
Chatterjee. चलो वो तो
My friend has worked
It's
in
okay. I
it.
was 4 ahead, so I was
That's
good.
cool, man. Nice. Okay, that's 5 points for both the audience and for Christopher. And Shaurya gets 0.
Om Shanti Om sequence counts.
That also counts. Yes, it would have
Counts,
counted.
dude. I said कभी खुशी कभी गम. उसका इतना सा piece.
नहीं पर Shantum तो she just have like cameo in a song, right?
So that's a good point.
But
Ban Om
that counts. That
Shanti Om.
absolutely would have counted. But ठीक है. Now, sing me songs of Abhishek Bachchan. Shaurya. Songs of Abhishek Bachchan.
Bluff. Na. You have to like get the lyrics.
Which one are you singing though?
The Bluff Master ka song.
But which one? There's so many.
Na.
Okay. That's. I mean,
एक मैं और
yeah,
एक
you
तू
don't
है.
help. I would have made him guess and all. That would have been very funny. But Christopher.
Oh, it's like this?
Yeah.
Damn it. Oh shit. Abhishek Bachchan is. Why is Abhishek Bachchan being so difficult?
Okay, what?
हाँ,
20 seconds.
बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरस.
He's not in the song.
He's not in the song.
Oh, he needs
Not
to be
in-
in the
yes,
song.
be in the song.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. You have about 15.
बहने दे मुझे बहने दे. Yeah, correct.
मुझे- Okay.
He is the
yeah,
kidnapper for Aishwarya.
Got it.
Ah, thank
Guys.
Bunty or public theme song.
Yeah.
अबे
I was about to say that.
नहीं पर बोल तो दिया. Don't waste. बोल तो दिया. Now you would say what they said, so you have one.
Bunty Bubbly. No, what?
नहीं.
The
Sorry.
two he wasn't there.
They
He
said
wasn't there. He wasn't
Bunty or
there.
Bubbly.
Yeah,
They said Bunty or
too.
Bubbly, and then Rishabh said just shouted out another song. So if you heard it, you can say that. But it's whatever. Just sing on a song.
Abhishek Bachchan, okay. First one I said Bluff Master wala na?
Going back to you.
Abhishek Bachchan. Oh,
15 seconds.
why don't you imagine him in songs?
Yeah, no, it's damn difficult. Shit. रानी मुखर्जी फट से आ गई.
Okay.
Okay. come on,
साथी
fine. हाँ बोल.
साथिया
नहीं bro. कहाँ पे? अभिषेक बच्चन कहाँ पे होता? You're done, bro. Sorry, man. I tried. You had another?
Me?
Yeah.
Where's the party tonight? Gonna dance for
all the Bunty Bubbly songs.
So
Nacha
tell me something.
Baliye.
If there are multiple songs in one movie, I can sing all.
Absolutely.
Of course,
It's,
yeah.
Oh, okay,
It's promoted. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Absolutely, it's
ठीक है.
encouraged. You guys had more, I'm sure.
He said Kajrare.
अरे
Kajrare.
हाँ
yes.
यार कजरा रे.
I just
Kabhi
hate
nahi,
this
nahi,
round,
nahi,
dude.
nahi.
I skipped all the songs.
Also, Sathiya, guys. No, Sathiya nahi. Sorry.
See, I said
nahi.
Sathiya, you
What did I
start
say?
saying Sathiya.
Bichu.
Bitchu.
Sorry, that's a movie again. What am I doing? Sorry. Brain frazzled a little bit.
साथिया में अभिषेक किधर था?
नहीं था.
Wrong, no?
She was in Shava Shava, the song. Rani Mukherjee is there.
But अभिषेक नहीं था ना?
What is my brain doing, dude?
Something
I said three,
it's
I had
my
three
effect.
movies of Rani Mukherjee back to back right now. My brain just frazzled out for a second. Okay, cool. Abhishek Bachchan. Yeah. There are all the Mandavi songs, all the Guru songs. Except
not
for
watched Guru,
that one.
so I
The
couldn't.
Maya.
That is Malika.
But Abhishek Bachchan है ना उसके डांस
He's
नाच कौन
walking
रहा
around with a drink and all
Yeah,
that.
है? Dhoom songs.
अरे भे वो fuck Dhoom.
Dude, I'll
Also,
remember
Dhoom-
the bike. I'll
Dhoom
remember
1, Dhoom
John.
2, Dhoom
everything.
3.
Don't remember him.
That happens.
He just has to be in the song.
has to be in the song.
Doesn't have to sing.
Like show up, yeah. Even if it's like, you know, like a photo of it shows up, that's
Yeah, you think
Probably
you think
funny.
Abhishek is singing मुझे बहने दे.
Lip singing, yeah.
okay. Cool. That was 5 points again for Christopher and for the audience. Now, guys, there is an advanced part to this game.
Oh.
Okay, which is situation based.
Okay.
So you'll understand what I mean. This one can start with Shaurya because Shaurya, starting with you, it's easier when you start to start.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. The advanced question is: give me songs that mention a heavenly body. So it can be sun, moon, clouds are not included. You know, rain doesn't count.
Okay.
But planets can be.
Give
you know,
me a song that mention a heavenly body, okay?
Yeah.
Sun, moon.
Something like that. You know,
Not
all
clouds,
That.
okay.
So you know, Badal ke baare mein doesn't count. That's not a heavenly body.
Hmm.
You know, so heavenly bodies are like planets, stars. You know, those are heavenly bodies.
Okay.
हाँ तो come on man. कुछ
No,
तो
नहीं, but I'm saying कि अब सात समुंदर पार is not heavenly.
नहीं.
Okay. So you're saying like that. चांद छुपा बादल में.
Yeah,
like
correct.
that.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम.
चंदा मामा
सो गए सूरज चाचू जागे दोनों आ गए. Correct. Let's get it now. Yeah.
This rap is there in this. चंदा के चाचा ने चांदो के चाचू चांदनी रात में
नहीं,
चांद.
that's
It's
not a
the song. It's one of the songs.
That's not a. But
No?
Chandu ke Sath, I don't think that song is. Yeah, but the song also, but it's not in a movie, right? It's not in a movie. The song.
Yeah.
Chandu ke I don't think that's. It's like a
Okay.
separate
Um,
indie kind of.
सूरज हुआ मतलब somebody
भाई, बोल
said,
दिया
just
भाई.
said.
I
Okay.
just said it, brother. I thought you were
Come on,
gonna
man.
say it, but like,
There are quite a few, huh? Quite a few of these.
Okay. क्यों चलती है पवन?
क्यों झूमे है गगन क्यों मचलता है मन नहीं
अच्छा,
नहीं,
पवन is also not. They said okay.
sorry. So it has to be like a physical, like you know, like a moon हो गया.
this timer is
moon
not
sun
getting
to
over
understand.
only, yeah.
मून को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं भाई?
चांद, but-
हाँ, अब बोल.
I have to. Don't worry. I have to.
चांद.
हाँ काफी तो चांद से काफी है.
I know. चंदा मामा भी हो गया चांद.
Okay, I think you're done, bro.
Do
You're
it.
One is फूलों का तारों का सबका
Also,
कहना
ये
है.
तारा वो तारा हर तारा.
And the other one is चंदा नहीं.
चांद तारे तोड़ ला सूरज की बाहों में
या और
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे जो
नहीं, there was
चन्ना
one
चोर.
चांद निकला बादल
चांद
से.
छुपा बादल में.
चांद
वो तो बोल दिया.
वो किसी ने बोला
I
क्या?
said, I said it.
Did someone sing that?
I said
सबसे पहले
that.
yeah, he said
That
that. Started
one,
with
oh
that,
shit. Okay, anyway, I still won
You
that,
won,
so
you
I'm
won.
okay.
You won.
I'm okay, thank God.
yeah. So that was 10 points. So Shaurya, that's situation based. So now let's see where we stand at the end of game 3. This is game 3. Yeah.
So Shaurya didn't get 3 answers in 2 rounds.
He did not get, guys. Okay, so now what happened? This is interesting.
I'm going to create
Thank you, Divij.
something
Thank you.
in the show.
Divij is awesome. Divij, I love you, man. Divij just made me realize that you haven't gotten 3 consecutive answers.
Yeah.
What happens when that happens, and we remember to catch the person on it,
Okay.
is there is a Bollywood themed punishment
Okay.
that you have to do.
Right.
Okay? Every time, regardless of the game, if one person does not get 3 answers consecutively, then there's a Bollywood themed punishment that you have to do. Alright?
I am the spectator in this, no? I can enjoy
Yeah,
the
you are
punishment.
just
Oh yeah.
spectator for most of these. Okay, this is simple. Sing the song Bhige Hoth Tere, but as Farhan Akhtar.
As Farhan Akhtar.
Yeah.
Do I have to? I'll have to know the lyrics, bro. बोल 2-3 बता.
I
भीगे
mean-
होठ तेरे ऐसे ही बोल दे.
प्यार प्यासा दिल मेरा
प्यासा दिल मेरा
लगे अब्रसा, right? मुझे तन तेरा.
लगे अब्रसार.
अब्रसा. Yeah.
अब्रसा लोग के
Yeah.
अब्रसा मन तेरा.
मुझे तन तेरा.
मुझे तन तेरा. Okay. भीगे होठ तेरे
प्यार सा दिल मेरा.
प्यारा सा दिल मेरा.
करेक्ट क्या था?
प्यासा
दिल मेरा, sorry.
भीगे होठ तेरे प्यासा दिल मेरा.
लगे अब्रसा
लगे
मुझे तन
अमृसा
तेरा.
मुझे तन तेरा.
You should keep one
As Farhan
card
Akhtar.
with the lyrics also.
Yeah, next
for
time I
people
will.
like
This has
him.
never happened.
Yeah. Really?
भीगे Farhan Akhtar. Rock on. Okay.
Yeah, that's the way to get into it. Get into the
Rock
zone.
on.
Yeah.
भीगे होठ तेरे प्यासा रंग तेरा. No. Yeah, it's
No, it's okay. Farhan, I think, would get the lyrics wrong.
It's a cover
I
song
think
by
also.
Farhan Akhtar, guys, ladies and gentlemen. भीगे होठ तेरे प्यासा दिल मेरा
दिल मेरा
लगे अब्रसा तन तेरा whatever dude guys.
This guy was horrible. Horrible.
Lyrics is a
But
problem.
thanks. You want to
I
give us
know, I'm
do a
off
stab?
it.
What's your best Farhan impression?
Guys, I can do good for an Akhtar impression, guys.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
not
I
bad.
can
That's not
do
bad.
lots of impressions, guys.
Yeah, hi guys.
Hi.
We're gathered here.
But you have to
today.
sing like
Sing, I don't know if I can do it well.
Let's try it.
but,
Let's try it.
भीगे होठ तेरे
That's
प्यासा दिल मेरा
Yeah.
लगे अब्र सा मुझे तन तेरा
nice.
बाप का इन्फ्लुएंस तो आएगा ही ना.
Nice. Cool. Let's go to the next one. So let's see where we stand at the end of game 3, guys. Divij. Chris is 50. Half century.
Half
भाई
century,
बे,
thank-
IPL season में 50 बनाना इतना आसान है आजकल.
I'm doing the stadium. Like,
Yeah, yeah,
the stadium.
Audience is
No, sorry. Shaurya was that?
हाँ वो नीचे है.
मेरा यही लक्ष्य है. हाँ, मैं 3 पे आना है.
Wow, he's throwing shade at you, dude.
Audience is at 32.
Welcome,
32.5.
welcome, you
Wow.
guys.
Bad
Welcome,
audience.
great.
Spot on.
Wow.
Shora is at 15.
15? Still? He got, didn't he get anything?
I don't think so, bro.
So now it's me versus audience. So like let's
It does
just
seem like that.
let's just do it like
does
this.
seem like that.
Let's see.
Excuse me, I'm so sorry.
And I hope it's not a song game, dude.
It is absolutely the
What the
song
fuck?
game! Woo! Yeah!
Give us also, dude. I also want one fucking melody.
Yeah!
Oh, this
take it! Awesome, guys.
host is attacking me.
Awesome, nice. Reset? Chalo, ho jaave. The last game is literally my favorite game of
suck at it.
the show. It's called Versus. How this works is I will read the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. You recognize the song, buzz in and tell me what the song is. You don't need to ask the question this time. You can just say what the answer is.
Okay, got it.
All right. Again, how this will work is the audience gets to go after the hint round. So you guys get 2 rounds to come up with what the answer is. All right. If you don't, then the audience gets to take a stab.
You
And-
say the second verse,
I will say the second verse.
and in English you'll say.
I will read it as a piece of poetry. No, Hindi.
Okay, Hindi.
I will read the lyrics, the actual lyrics. I will read, but as a piece of poetry,
Okay.
without no tune. And you guys have to recognize whoever recognize the lyrics and gets to know what the song is can buzz in and let me know what the song is and gets points accordingly. Okay, chalo, short scenes. Let us go, peoples. Okay, we ready? Keep your buzzers ready. The first song का second verse is as follows. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें शब में तुम्हारे ख्वाब हसीन जो आते हैं. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें लम्ज़ वो सारे जिस्म को जो महकाते हैं. Anything? आ गया तुम लोग आ गए. अरे वाह. These guys are killing it. Again. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें शब में तुम्हारे ख्वाब हसीन जो आते हैं. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें लम्ज़ वो सारे जिस्म को जो महकाते हैं.
Trippy lyrics, but
Yeah.
Try singing it. What
agree.
tune do you
Yeah,
think
sing.
it would be?
is it Imran Hashmi song? Yeah, man.
कैसे
make-
बताए लम्ज़ मेरे तुम्हारे something. I forgot the lyrics. Why is the lyrics not on screen like the other game?
Because it makes it easier.
Damn it.
Yeah.
At this point, you
कैसे
just
बताएं
have called
तुझे?
Shaurya to just torture him.
No, man. It's
Because
fun,
I
man.
am still leading. I mean, like,
Even if you don't
No,
answer,
bro.
I think.
You're leading because I am losing, bro. That's together we're doing it. Not
yeah,
doing
true.
it alone.
That is true. That is true. I will read one last time, and then if you guys still don't have any guess, then I will go on to the hint round. All right. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें शब में तुम्हारे ख्वाब हंसी जो आते हैं. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें लम्ज़ वो सारे जिस्म को जो महकाते हैं. Anything at all? Nope.
I got nothing.
So there's literally no negative points. So you can absolutely take a shot.
No,
in
I
the
want to
dark.
take the hint and then try.
Okay, ठीक है.
That's all.
I'll go to the hint. Now the hint is that for half the points, I will half sing each of these lines. So half for half. All right.
Done. Okay.
This is how it goes. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें शब में तुम्हारे ख्वाब हसी जो आते हैं.
आतिफ असलम. singing like
कैसे
him, dude.
बताएं तुम्हें लम्ज वो सारे जिस्म को जो महकाते हैं.
हमें क्या गैस करना है? नेम ऑफ द और
First
Name of the
line,
song,
the line.
after this would work also.
Oh, name of the song is also fine.
Name of the song, yeah, that's what I ideally need is the name of the song. Recognize the song? You guys are sort, right? You guys are so chillin'. Come on, man. Anything. That was pretty simple. I'll sing it again. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें शब में तुम्हारे ख्वाब हसी जो आते हैं. कैसे बताएं तुम्हें लफ्ज वो सारे जिस्म को जो महकाते हैं.
I want to take a wild guess. I
Yeah.
think it's mostly wrong, but is it Te Amo?
नहीं bro.
Nahin? Okay.
I know this is Atif Aslam. I'm just not remembering.
It is
I
absolutely
like, it's
Atif
like in
Aslam,
my
yeah.
head, the moment they'll give the answer, I'm like, ah!
Yeah, you will absolutely. हाँ, at least try to replicate the tune. तो आएगा ना फिर. He's getting into character again, guys. He's getting into the
I'll have to do
mindset
acts like
of
this.
the
Memory is not
lyricist.
helping.
What was Atif Aslam feeling at this time? I mean, ऐसे तो नहीं आने वाला bro. ऐसे तो सोचते रहेगा कब तक.
I don't know.
Nothing at all. Guys, yes. बाखुदा तुम ही हो हर जगह.
I would have never guessed it.
तुम
Like,
ही
it's one of those songs which you've heard of. Like, you know it, but like, naam bologe to I would have never guessed. But it's okay.
Kismet
no.
Connection, the movie.
Oh, shit,
Okay,
Kismet
next one.
Connection.
Keep your buzzers again at the ready. जागे हम यूं ही रात भर है हवाओं में आवारगी. ये कशिश ये दीवानगी है तुझी से मेरी तिश्नगी. है जुनून सवार मैं तो भूला संसार. Okay, don't help the others because they haven't gotten it. I know Divesh has gotten it, but it'll be fun to see whether they get it or not.
Wow, this round is really tough.
जागे हम यूं ही रात भर है हवाओं में आवारगी. ये कशिश ये दीवानगी है तुझी से मेरी तिश्नगी. है जुनून सवार मैं तो भूला संसार. Nice. It's very. It's one of those you'll see. Famously, okay. No, I'll wait for the hint.
Trivia is afterwards, okay.
Yeah. Nothing.
I am banking on your detective skills.
Okay.
No.
So, all right. ठीक है. The half for half then. No guesses at all. You guys have?
No guesses
No?
whatsoever.
ठीक है.
Nope.
Half for half for the song is as follows. I just realized it's a very speaking type of tune. You know, like those like speaking songs.
Spoken word?
Almost spoken word kind of. You know what I
हाँ.
mean? So it's like. जागे हम यूं ही रात भर है हवाओं में आवारगी. ये कशिश ये दीवानगी है तुझी से मेरी तिश्नगी. है जुनून सवार मैं तो भूला संसार. Come on, that's the last line.
Hukka maar.
Yeah. That's the what the fuck? He got
I
it.
can't believe this. I did it.
Got it, bro.
You know why I did it? Because the guy who wrote, I know him like indirectly, and I just kind of. Okay.
Oh, you know him, like, indirectly?
Gurpreet.
What-
Yeah.
what
No,
does
I mean
indirectly
he's
mean?
common friends. Yeah, Gurpreet.
Oh,
He's a
okay.
very nice writer, songwriter.
What's his name?
Gurpreet. I think it's his written by him. I'm not too sure.
Imagine you just gave someone credit when it's not written by him.
No, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not 100% sure. But
Wait,
yeah.
1 minute. So, this is Hukka Bar like Tera
तेरा
Pyar
प्यार
Pyar?
प्यार
प्यार,
प्यार
हुक्का
हुक्का मार. हाँ, so this would have been जागे हम यूं ही रात भर है हवाओं में आवारगी. ये कशिश ये दीवानगी है तुझी से मेरी तृष्णगी,
तेरा प्यार
है
प्यार
जुनून
प्यार
सवार मैं तो भूला संसार।
Oh my
यार
god.
गदार तेरी यार कभी पार, तेरा प्यार
प्यार प्यार hook
I
song.
just thought it was a thrash song, dude. I didn't know it had like lyrics and all.
So famously on Coffee with Karan, on an episode when Vidya Balan was on the couch, she was asked, so like a song that you can't stand, and she goes, "What is this hook? Tera pyar 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 hook ka aa raha hai?" She's like, "What is this, dude?" Okay, chalo, one more. This is very fun. Let's go to the next one.
Yeah, fun for you.
They're having a ball of time, and you guys. Okay.
Kabir Ahmed.
क्या
Oh,
क्या?
he's not in what? Okay, somebody else. Cool.
Sorry, Gurpreet.
Wrong.
Sorry, Gurpreet.
Now should I cut that out?
Just doing this.
You can leave it also. Because I'll have to still know. Maybe he's also contributed.
No,
to it.
for all you know, Gurpreet will like thanks यार. कोई random music director ने देख लिया मेरे को काम दे
Bro, I just
दिया.
want to say, I just want to tell you, I haven't written a single lyric in my life. I'm not even a lyricist today. dude.
No, or he is a
Yeah, he's an actor also.
Huh?
He's an actor also. May have seen him also.
That's what I'm saying. Some music director sees this like as a reel of the episode and he's like,
Like, हाँ?
अरे गुरप्रीत अपना बंदा है करती है
अरे
लिखा
करता है
है
यार, अरे लिखता
अरे
भी
आजा
है।
काम कर ले.
Yeah.
Dude,
Good, I'm
wow.
not mentioning full names. So it's like, find out how many.
हाँ तो
lyrics are.
why only?
Wait, can I guess? Sing?
Let's move on.
Oh, I haven't read full names. It seems.
Look at Shaurya gatekeeping talent.
All right, next one. Keep your buzzers again at the ready. The lyrics of the second verse of the next song are as follows: छम छम आए, मुझे तरसाए, तेरा साया छेड़ के चूमता, ओ हो, तू जो मुस्काए, तू जो शर्माए, जैसे मेरा है खुदा झूमता. Yes.
तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं. And this is the female version, not the male one.
Oh.
It's the sadder one. I used to listen to it in 8th standard. I don't know why.
No, but this is the
But
main
lyrics
version
तो same
of
ही
this
होगा.
one.
Main version also has
Yeah.
this. Oh shit,
Yeah.
dude! I just let out a. Can you delete this part?
No,
Just
I
no
don't.
8th standard
It's
me.
all good.
Vulnerable secret.
It's re-released by the way.
Sorry?
Love De Banadi Chori, it has re-released
This week it has
Oh, in
re-released.
theaters.
What's why?
At Rockstar and Jabbi Met.
So I know why these three in particular.
कुछ 10-15 साल हुआ होगा खत्म.
Okay, हाँ.
Because this week they don't have any big releases. So
हाँ, could be. So they have started
तो-
doing this, which is awesome. हाँ.
अनुष्का को बच्चों को लेके जाना होगा पिक्चर दिखाने को.
When 12th Fail was coming out, right, like a few months before that, I think like a month maybe before that, they had re-released a lot of Vidhu Manoj Chopra's films in the theaters. So like 1942, A Love Story, they released. They had Parinita, Munna Bhai MBBS. So I went and watched 1942, A Love Story for the first time in my life ever. I'd never seen the movie because I'd heard all the songs.
Yeah.
What an epic movie, bro. Beautiful. If you guys ever get the chance to watch it, highly recommend it. It's beautiful. The shot composition blows your mind. How the story travels and all is great, but everything, there's such
He's a
unique
genius,
thing.
dude.
He is a
लड़की को
genius.
देखा was like a big huge hit. I remember.
Bro, बहुत.
Like,
And very well picturized. Everything in that movie is very, very good. So, huge shout out to Vidhu Manoj Chopra. It wouldn't an episode of Raju Hirani or Vidhu Manoj Chopra on the show be awesome?
Yeah.
Let's make that happen, guys. Thanks,
Yeah.
you guys agreed, huh?
Just biggest enemies there coming and talking about films. Dude. विदु ये अपना राजकुमार हिरानी को उसके अपने मूवीज के अलावा कुछ नहीं पता रहेगा.
I think पता रहेगा, bro.
नहीं, I'm a hater, dude. I'm a hater.
You are a hater.
I'm a
Clearly. See, Donkey के बाद I get it, the hate.
Yeah.
But all the other movies.
See,
he's
Munna
made-
Bhai was a very good film, dude. It was a very funny film.
The next song, this one is retro. Okay, so this one is from the 70s, this song is. So let's see if you guys get it. I'm trying to expand my horizons a little bit, get some of your parents in, you know. Hook on this. Who knows, man?
Okay.
Okay, chalo.
Sounds wrong.
All right. Let's go. So these are the lyrics of a song from the 70s, but a very popular song that you guys have absolutely 100% heard of.
Okay.
Okay, and heard the song. Okay, let's go. So, सजाऊंगा लुटकर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को. सजाऊंगा लुटकर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को, है वफा क्या इस जहां का, एक दिन दिखला दूंगा मैं दीवाना।
क्या बात है?
आ गया?
नहीं मैं क्या बात है? क्या लिरिक्स है?
एनीथिंग एट ऑल?
Is this in the 70s? Okay.
Beautiful song. Still heard quite a lot. Like, quite a lot.
Can you repeat the 2 lines first line?
Sorry. सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को।
No, no.
Then I repeat, सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को, है वफा क्या इस जहां का, एक दिन दिखला दूंगा मैं दीवाना।
जाने ना।
No. Anything?
No. I would like to take the hint.
Going half for half. Half for half for the song is as follows. हो सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को। ओ सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को, है वफा क्या इस जहां का, एक दिन दिखलाऊं दूंगा मैं दीवाना। हाँ? क्या बोला? Did he say something?
One second. I'm
He
just
just
going.
said the tune.
Yeah. No. This is that guy. Adi Verma. Who is this? I know.
एक दिन दिखला दूंगा मैं दीवाना।
I know the song definitely, but I'm.
Both of you know this song 100%.
I know this song because I've heard it on Reels so many times.
Yeah, I'm sure.
But I never bothered to.
Radio reels, our entire childhood. Come on, guys. सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को। सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को, लहू जिगर का दूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को, है वफा क्या इस जहां का, एक दिन दिखला दूंगा मैं दीवाना। Okay, I don't think you guys are getting it. I'm just gonna throw it to the audience.
Please go ahead.
Guys.
I didn't know those were the. That's okay. Yeah.
I
Damn
would
it.
reach this verse.
नजर नहीं
Don't.
चुराना सनम।
Some fucking 50-year-old. Some fucking 50-year-old is gonna watch this episode and like, अबे चूतिए.
All right, let's do final. Okay, this will be the final thing on this episode.
Yes. Ready.
Let's go. All right, buzzers are ready again.
Yeah.
तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बना के, रंग भर दे हवाओं में तू सपनों को मेरे सजा के। तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बना के, रंग भर दे हवाओं में तू सपनों को मेरे सजा के। लव नीड्स समबडी, आई वॉन्ट यू राइट देयर फॉर मी, कब तुम मेरे होगे है दिल का सवाल।
Wow, English lyric is also
English
there.
भी आ गया. 70s.
17
17 we're back. We're back.
We're back.
Yeah, back.
Oh fuck, dude. Okay, fresh.
Pandering was for one song only. Pandering.
Then repeat, please. Yeah,
Okay,
dude.
I think you're thinking of Mohammed Rafi.
I was black and white. Not black and white, but whatever.
तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ. No, sorry, wrong song. Sorry.
Oh, you're messing up. Hint क्यों दे रहा है?
Just messing. Okay. तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बना के, रंग भर दे हवाओं में तू सपनों को मेरे सजा के। तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बना के, रंग भर दे हवाओं में तू सपनों को मेरे सजा के। लव नीड्स समबडी, आई वॉन्ट यू राइट देयर फॉर मी, कब तुम मेरे होगे है दिल का सवाल।
Let's break it down. This is a Choot Pagal song, okay? Because she's crazy for him. because she's like, ki, do this, do that for me. Like, you know, I'm crazy for your love and all.
Sure, yeah.
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 Okay. So it has to be probably from a movie where the girl is chasing the guy.
The guy is not interested. He's
Nah, it's like, is it a Salman Khan movie?
then she won't say that तुम मेरे कब होगे. She won't be. Oh, maybe for Salman होता है.
Yeah. But it could also be one of those ki they are together, but it's like long distance. So they are like, you know, तुम
No,
मेरे
no.
कब होगे लबो वबो में.
No, she has a सवाल. She wants this guy.
कब तुम मेरे होगे हैं
कब तुम मेरे
She
होगे.
really
अरे but वो
wants it.
कब तुम मेरे होगे वो भी हो सकता है ना कि कब हमारी दूरियां मिटेगी, कब तुम मेरे होगे, वो भी हो सकता है. लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस वो भी हो सकता है. बट या बट ये इंडिया इधर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस अभी आया. इट कुड बी लाइक
No, long distance they do. It's about just love, like the toxic love, like तुम मेरे कब होगे.
टॉक्सिक नहीं है.
अच्छा, beautiful
She's just
love.
horny. She's just
In the
horny.
film, of course,
Yeah,
beautiful.
horniness is not toxic.
Yeah.
No wonder you don't have a girlfriend. It's like-
Yeah, if you're not getting sex and you're horny, then
Yeah, no, I'm saying चूत पागल. He's a चूत
There's
पागल.
nothing toxic about being horny.
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Relax. What is this judgment?
What you
judgmental?
act upon after being horny is what can count as toxic.
I mean, I masturbate. Is that toxic?
No.
Unless you're talking about my semen. Hey. All right.
No,
Cut that out.
Just wanting somebody very desperately or something, that could be a little off. But anyways, what do you?
Okay, guys. All this philosophy, guys. After all this philosophy, let's go
Which
back.
was reaching nowhere.
I thought
heckling each other.
no. I thought for once I will use your approach to like decode the lyrics, but clearly,
Okay, guys, you guys are not getting it.
Yeah.
You want me to read it again? You want me to just go half?
please go half.
half,
Please go
half.
half. Yeah.
Okay.
Why
Half.
waste everybody's time?
They are just waiting.
yeah, there is like लौड़े लोग तुम लोग. अंतरिक्ष किसको बुलाता है पूरा टाइम?
Okay, चलो. तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बना के, रंग भरते हवाओं में तू सपनों को मेरे सजा के. Then it repeats. तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बना के, रंग भरते हवाओं में तू सपनों को मेरे सजा के. Love needs somebody, I want you right there for me. कब तुम मेरे होगे है दिल का सवाल. Not bad, no? I did well, no? I would say.
It doesn't sound totally unheard, but I'm not getting it.
Oh yeah, it's a very popular
What?
movie. Bench.
They got it. I think every one of the audience members cracked it. All 45 of them, dude. It's great.
Yeah, dude, it's
Full, yeah, amazing.
they're all staring at us.
Yeah, correct. It's lucky you guys can't see them.
Yeah, dude, come for a live taping.
Yeah, man. You can say that into your camera.
Yeah,
You don't have
okay.
to look into mine.
No, what if
That's impossible.
What if you cut it out? So like, by doing this, I still have two angles.
Okay, fine.
Come for a live tip.
Come on.
Dude, it's playing in my head. I can't remember the name.
तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बना के, रंग भरते हवाओं में तू सपनों को मेरे सजा के. तेरे सपनों में रहती हूँ मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बना के, रंग भरते हवाओं में तू सपनों को मेरे सजा के. Love needs somebody, I want you right there for me. कब तुम मेरे होंगे है दिल का सवाल. Come on guys, this is done, man. Everyone's like, कितना आसान है, dude. You guys, I think it's enough time. I'm just
I've
skipping you
given
guys.
up, okay.
I'm skipping you guys. Christopher, nothing, right?
Oh
Everything's
my
gonna be
God.
good. Everything's gonna be good.
Oh my
जाने क्यों दिल ये
God.
कहने लगा है, अब तो तू दिल में रहने लगा है, बस गया है तू मेरी रगों में, तुम तेरे कहने लगा है.
There was no truth, pagal. Shaurya.
This is all your.
there is-
I gave
In
zero
this
opinion
song,
on the
there is
song.
no love story happening. All you guys made this shit up.
Why did you mislead me? I was so close to getting the answer. I can't believe it.
He started
yaar.
like I have to guess, made up everything, and now blaming me.
I can't believe
He's
it.
like,
yaar.
let's not guess, let's detect, and let's comment. Oh, love.
ये मेरी चाल भी हो सकती है to make sure that your points don't go ahead. Actually, their
Oh,
points. You're not
बिल्कुल.
even my enemy.
Yeah.
That's it, guys. That's the end of this episode. Thank you so much for
Crazy
being on.
guys.
What do you guys
Well
think?
done, audience.
The scores are being calculated. Before that, what do you guys think of your experience of that filmy game show?
Please go ahead.
Yeah, insane experience makes me strong.
Whatever doesn't kill you makes you strong.
I'm going to go back and write some good jokes because failure is better. Sorry, you got no motivation today. You won. You'll go back sleep. I'm going to be
You had a good
motivated
night.
to write.
Damn it. Shaurya.
Yeah. But also one second, thank you guys for coming, dude, because this was very interesting. Otherwise, it would have been very boring. Just three of
Yeah,
us.
It's never boring, yaar. What?
Whoa,
Talking the
whoa,
previous-
whoa, whoa.
previous episode
Sorry.
boring, huh?
No, but there were
Huh?
also people there. There were 2-3 people there at least
There
there
are always,
inside.
yeah, yeah.
But
First he
this was
said-
this
It's always
was-
better. It's
Yeah.
always
First he said that about the last song, and now he's saying all this about it. I wouldn't have taken it.
What?
I wouldn't have taken it, dude. मैं नहीं सहता.
Yeah, Christopher, what was your first experience of that film?
I love it, dude. What a great. And I got to bitch about people.
That's awesome. It's the perfect place, dude.
'Cause, like,
Where you
I-
can bitch about the actors, you know.
I
Celebrities.
watch like plenty films. I wouldn't say I'm like a cinephile. I'm not
Yeah.
a cinephile. Yeah, I don't go watch that much. But like I watch all these mainstream kachra. I watch.
Yeah,
It's great. And bachpan se I've been
Yeah,
watching.
that's
So-
the show, guys. Hey.
Shit. Unfortunately, when I meet Amitabh Bachchan, I won't be able to say.
But take Christopher along with you. If you take Christopher along with you, we can.
Oh,
we'll
yeah,
say
he's
on your
like, I'll
behalf.
be like, sir,
Yeah.
great fan, everything, but you know, you have to meet this
Yeah,
guy.
yeah. And then what if Christopher backstabs you right there, you know? Like, sir, he wants to tell you something. हाँ sir, आप ही best हो. Sir, our best. 100%. Guys, coming in at third place with 17.5 points is Shaurya Tyagi. Very cool.
Thank you, guys.
Yes, very cool. Very cool. Coming in at second place with a whopping 40 points is this audience right here.
Wow.
Guys, Riya, Rishabh, Ashish, Divij, and 41 other people.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice.
But majorly these 4 who led the whole show.
Very cool. I think that's the highest score the audience has ever gotten up till now in this iteration of the show. So very cool.
That's crazy.
Firstly. And
All because of you.
being
Of
crowned,
course, bro. I take the credit.
being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah with a whopping
Crazy.
55 points.
Yeah.
It's
Insane,
Christopher
insane.
Barretto. Acceptance
minute.
speech.
1 minute.
Nice.
Okay. This is the closest. Antariksh's production has increased that he has 3D posters now.
With depth.
With depth and all. Yeah, guys. So I just want to say I'm very humbled. And Amitabh, if I see you now,
And Raju Irani तो बच के रहे साले.
राजू ईरानी को तो मैं वैसे ही गाली दूंगा. But I like बच्चन साहब like
Okay.
enough to like do मस्ती with him. राजू ईरानी के उसके मुंह पे कीचड़ फेंकना चाहिए.
Wow, this guy.
Yeah. That is that level of नहीं काटने का नहीं डालो. नहीं, हाँ.
That's crazy.
So yeah, it's,
I'm so happy you won, dude.
All right. Awesome, guys. Cool. Very cool. Guys, finally, there is something still more that you guys have to do. If only this would connect. Huh. Guys, there is a small improv scene for us to be used in the outro of this episode.
okay.
So the improv scene is as follows that you both will be acting out. All right. Amir Khan, played by Shaurya, is telling Kareena Kapoor that they can't have this affair anymore. Okay? Because he loves his current girlfriend, wife too much.
Fatima Sana Khan.
Yeah, Fatima Sana Khan, too much. So you have come over to Kareena's house to break this off finally once and for all. And go.
देखो मैं तो देख ही नहीं रही. देखो पहले मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ पर जब से
Waiter.
घर पे वेटर है.
I live in a महल. Okay.
देखो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि बहुत ही इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा पड़ गया है बट आप मेरे घर को रेस्टोरेंट तो मतलब इमेजिन मत करो ना. तो मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने बहुत सोचा इसके बारे में और सोचने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरा जो बच्चा है अभी उसको एक असली माँ की ज़रूरत है. तो
Shut up, yeah. Shut
तुम
up.
समझ नहीं रही हो. देखो सीन क्या है कि मैं चाहता तो आई थिंक हमें ब्रेकअप कर लेना चाहिए.
टाइमूर को देखा है. You saw how well I've done in, huh? Everybody in the paparazzi just wants to follow him, and Jahangir is just almost there. और तुम्हारे बच्चे को इससे बेटर मान नहीं मिलेगी, ठीक है? वो कल की आई हुई दंगल के बाद क्या किया उसने?
What's the name for?
हाँ?
Kalki is a different actress. Sorry.
कल की मतलब yesteryear has been.
देखो तुम
I love Kalki. I've always gone for French cuisine with her. And she gives the worst recommendations. But I love you. So it's okay.
देखो तुम समझ नहीं है, मुद्दे की बात ये है कि
I'm understanding, Amir, what you want. It's I get it. I'm telling Saif to take you in his new movie. He's trying, okay? I can't because
तुम्हें लगता है कि मुझे सैफ
after Lal Singh Chadha and what you did, it's impacted my career, okay?
आई टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. मुझे समझ में आ गया कि मैं कहाँ प्रॉब्लम हुई है मुझे उस फिल्म में. अब मैं हॉलीवुड
कहाँ प्रॉब्लम तुम्हें हुई?
ऑडियंस को, ये तो मैं बोलने वाला ऑडियंस को ही. मैंने पूरा अब जो नई फिल्म मेरी बन
ऑडियंस मेरा क्या?
फिर
चट्टी
तो-
का नाम दिया मुझे तुमने.
And scene. Very cool, guys. Thank you so much. That was awesome. Hope you guys are enjoying the content we've been putting out. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what your favorite moment from this episode was. Could Shaurya have performed better? Let us know all of this. Discuss in the comments below. All right, bye-bye.